cavity fighting properties, they're in your saliva.
Mm.
Saliva holds that's your oral microbiome. It holds all of the,
Mm.
good bacteria and the bad bacteria. And the good bacteria, they fight cavities for you. And if they're drying out because your mouth is open and you're breathing in and out of your mouth, it's drying out your mouth. You're basically depleting your mouth of that good bacteria, that good cavity fighting bacteria. And so that results in decay in your mouth, because your mouth is not able to neutralize, it's not able to fight the bacteria, and it results in unexplained rampant decay in your mouth.
Yeah. So I think that two questions I have for you, because earlier on you had mentioned the mouth guard. And this is another question I get a lot of people when I talk to them, when I have a patient who has sleep apnea, and maybe, we talk